What is up, guys? It's your boy, I am Rider PH. This ride is just a review sa ating bagong mic setup. Galing siya sa Action Cam at iba pa. And yeah, so kung naririnig niyo yung background sound, yan ang meron ngayon. Connected yung ating intercom, or meron siyang separate na speaker from mic. Ito yung picture na yan. Kung makikita niyo yan, yun yung natin, yan yung mic. So settings natin ngayon sa ating camera, mic gain natin is naka negative 4. Ideal siya for dual vlogs. Marami na gumagamit ito. Marami ng influencers yung gumagamit itong ngayon lang talaga tayo nakabili nitong intercom connections na to. Parkings. Oof. Alam ka kanin times. Priority to lang. Yep, that's it, guys. Thank you. Uy, shoutout na sa ating tropa, Bruce. Kaso ayun pa, yung isa pa natin tropa. Shoutout sa kanila. Asan na? Ayun. Yep, that's it. Shout out to Bruce and shout out to Kay. Let's go.